Pull out your mortgage statement right now and look at the numbers. If you borrow $600,000 from an Australian bank today at a 6% interest rate over 30 years, you are not paying back $600,000. By the time you make your final payment, you will have handed the bank over $1.1 million.
You paid for your house and then you bought the bank manager a brand new Ferrari just for the privilege of borrowing their money. Those massive bank buildings in the middle of Sydney and Melbourne with the marble floors and the fancy glass elevators, you paid for them. You paid for them with 30 years of your sweat, your stress and your missed family holidays.
But what if I told you it doesn't have to be this way? By the end of this video, I am going to show you the exact mathematical blueprint to slash up to 10 years off your mortgage. I am going to show you how to starve the big four banks of their profits and how to keep hundreds of thousands of dollars in your own pocket. However, you have to be warned. The banks hate the strategies I'm about to show you because every dollar you save is a dollar taken directly off their bottom line.
Let's get straight into the maths. The very first strategy is the absolute simplest, but it is the foundation of breaking the bank's grip on your life. You must switch your mortgage repayments from monthly to fortnightly. When you set up a home loan, the bank will automatically default your payments to a monthly schedule. They do this because it makes them the most money.
But let's look at the calendar. There are 12 months in a year. If your mortgage repayment is $2,000 a month, you pay $24,000 a year. But what happens if you take that $2,000, cut it in half and pay $1,000 every fortnight? Well, there are 26 fortnights in a year. That means you end up making 26 payments of $1,000, which equals $26,000 a year.
Without even feeling a pinch in your budget, you have secretly sneaked in a whole extra month of repayments directly against your principal loan amount. Over the life of a standard loan, this simple 5-minute phone call to your bank will literally shave 3 to 4 years off your mortgage and save you tens of thousands in interest. But shaving off 4 years is child's play. We are here to do some serious damage.
This brings us to strategy number 2, the offset account. If you have a mortgage and you have cash sitting in a standard high-interest savings account, you are actively burning your own money. Let me explain. If you have $50,000 sitting in a savings account earning 5% interest, the Australian Tax Office looks at those earnings, smiles and takes a third of it in income tax. You take all the risk and the government takes the reward.
But an offset account is different. An offset account is a transaction account linked directly to your home loan. Every single dollar you put into that account offsets the amount you owe the bank. If you owe $400,000 on your house, but you have $50,000 sitting in your offset account, the bank is only legally allowed to charge you interest on $350,000. Here is why this is a legal cheat code. The interest you save on your mortgage is completely 100% tax-free. The ATO cannot touch it. You are saving 6 or 7% in interest, which is mathematically far superior to earning a taxable 5% in a savings account.
However, most Aussies use their offset account completely wrong. If you want to weaponise this, you need to dump every single cent of your paycheck into the offset account the very second you get paid. Why? Because banks calculate your mortgage interest daily. Every day your money sits in that offset, it is starving the bank of a few extra dollars. You then put all your groceries, petrol and bills on a credit card that has a 55-day interest-free period. You leave your cash in the offset account to fight your mortgage for the whole month, and then you use that cash to pay the credit card off in full right before they charge you interest. You are using the bank's own money for 55 days for free, while your cash acts as a shield for your mortgage. But be warned, if you lack the discipline to pay that credit card off in full every month, this strategy will destroy you.
Now, strategy number 3 is the one that actually makes the banks furious. And honestly, when I ran the maths on this, it made my blood boil that nobody teaches us this in school. If you are over the age of 50, this strategy is going to change your life. Most people try to pay off their mortgage by making extra payments from their take-home pay. But let's look at the brutal reality. If you earn an average wage, your top tax bracket is 32.5%. That means to make a $100 extra payment on your mortgage, you actually had to earn about $150 because the taxman took $50 before you even saw it. You are trying to fight a war with one hand tied behind your back.
But what if we use the government's own rules against them? Instead of paying extra on the mortgage right now, you tell your boss to salary sacrifice your extra money straight into your superannuation. Money that goes directly into your super is only taxed at 15%. It is an instant, massive tax discount. That money then gets invested in your super fund, compounding and growing over the years. Then you hit the magic age of 60. At 60, you are legally allowed to pull money out of your super completely tax-free. You pull out a massive tax-free lump sum and you drop it like an anvil right onto your mortgage, wiping it out in one single blow. Because you used the 15% tax shield of your super instead of paying the ATO 32%, you reach the finish line years faster. You let the government fund your mortgage payoff. But here is the catch. None of this brilliant maths will save you if you are currently falling for the ultimate middle-class trap.
This brings us to strategy number 4, the refinance. Australians are incredibly loyal. We are loyal to our footy teams, we are loyal to our mates, and for some bizarre reason, we are loyal to our banks. Let me be absolutely clear. The bank is not your mate. They do not care about you. If you have been with the same bank for 5 years, they are absolutely ripping you off.
You must treat your mortgage like an untrustworthy business partner. Every 12 months, you pick up the phone, you call your bank and you say, "Another bank is offering me a rate 0.5% lower. Match it or I leave." If they say no, you leave. You sign the discharge papers and you take your business down the street. Refinancing takes a few hours of paperwork, but it is the highest paying hourly job you will ever do in your life. Finally, there is one last hurdle, and this one is entirely psychological. As you start using these strategies, your loan balance will drop, your equity will grow. You will look at your banking app and feel a massive sense of pride. And right at that moment, the system will try to tempt you. You will get an email offering you a top-up. The bank will whisper in your ear that you have enough equity to buy that new boat, or finally put in that swimming pool, or upgrade to the massive house in the better suburb.
Do not fall for it. The moment you draw down on your equity to buy a depreciating asset, you reset the clock. You willingly put the chains back on your own wrists. The goal is not to have the biggest house on the street. The goal is to wake up on a Tuesday morning and know that nobody can take the roof over your head. The goal is absolute, unbreakable freedom. The maths is simple, but the discipline is hard. Switch to fortnightly payments to trick the calendar. Dump every cent into your offset account to starve the daily interest. If you're older, use the superannuation tax shield to build a lump sum weapon. And never, ever be loyal to a bank. If you follow this blueprint, you will not just shave a few years off your loan. You will fundamentally alter the financial trajectory of your entire family. You will keep your hard-earned wealth in your own pocket, right where it belongs. If this video gave you the tools you need to fight back, please hit the like button. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss the next deep dive into the Aussie system.
And if you want to support the channel and get priority replies to your comments, click the join button below to become an official member of the local pub or the inner circle. We're in this together. I'm the Retired Aussie. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.